So I purchased this Trike from Amazon, and the brand is Link Life, and they say 3-in-1 because there is one with the balance bike mode, push bike mode, and cycling mode with the pedal, of course, and this too without pedal. So we so far like it, and it's nice and smooth, as you will see in this video. I just wanted to give you the brief description and the price here. So let's assemble it. So here I'm unboxing this Trike, and just this is not a paid video. I just like to make video on the item I purchased already and would like to share it, so that way if you are looking for the same item and if you're watching my video, you know exactly what you will be getting. So here is the Trike or bike, whatever you call, you can use it in any mode. So it's really simple, comes with just one tool, and you really have to attach only the handle and the paddles provided over here, and the one tool you don't need to use until you want to adjust the seat. So here is the handle, and that's the paddle, and everything is just the clickable, so you just press it down. You don't really need any tool. So as you can see, the booklet is just tell you to press it down, so just press that. And just to take it out, like, let me just show you. So here the paddle, and then it's just this button right here, so you just press it to take it out, and just to insert it you don't even have to press anything, just push it and it will click, and that's it. So it's very simple. There is another push button underneath the wheels, so you can adjust it according you're riding as a bike or balance bike, whatever. As you can see on the bottom, and very easy to handle and adjust the different modes like this, and it is very smooth, I would say. And you can also ride as a bike. So this turns in, and look at this. And if you take out the paddles and put it back where it was before here, so it will be pedalless, so then they can use as a push bike. But right now is with the pedal and just the normal bike. And it is nice, smooth. You can see. And let me just quickly show you the handle. I was not able to show you. So there is a 2 different angles you can do. So that's the one. It's hard to do with one hand, but that's the second, and then this is the third. So you can also adjust that according to your kid's preference. And he's little short, still not reaching to his feet completely at the paddle, but eventually he's gonna grow, so perfect. He can even do some exercise. And as you can see, the final look I will be giving you guys right here. And they have a different colors available, I think 2 to 3 colors available with this vendor. I will leave link in the description box if you're interested to buy one. And look at this, how smooth is it? Very smooth. Happy with the purchase so far, and he's enjoying already. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share with your friends and family.